Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pair your Sony XM3 or XM4 headphones with your Firestick 4K Max. We'll start off by powering off the headphones, it's just easier that way. Then grab your remote control and head across to Settings on the far right hand side. Then we want to come down the list and across to Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. We have some options here. We want to go to Other Bluetooth devices. Add Bluetooth device, select that. And now we need to place our headphones into discoverable mode. If you locate the power button just at the bottom here, you'll want to press and hold that for about 10 seconds. You'll hear it say power on. Bluetooth discoverable, at which point I can release and we'll wait for the Firestick to pair up with these headphones. It's still searching currently, and as you can see we have located them. Let's click here. It says pair in the device. We'll just ignore this message for now, and at the bottom on the right hand side it says device connected. If I want to unpair the device, all I need to do is press the button with the 3 lines on the remote control. Then press select to confirm unpairing. Bottom right it says device disconnected. So that's how you pair your Sony XM3, XM4s or XM5s with your Firestick 4K Max. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, really appreciate giving it a quick thumbs up as it helps the channel out so much. We're on the road to 100k. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.